Welcome back, superstars! Here's an easy trick to learn the 2 times table using a simple 2x5 grid. But first, let's practice counting in twos from 2 up to 10. We'll use a number line to make it easy. Starting from 0, let's count up by 2 each time. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. Now, let's say it together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's do it once more. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You've learned half of the 2 times table already. If you need to, pause the video and say it a few more times. When you're ready, let's jump into the trick. All right, now let's learn the trick. First, we need a grid. Draw a 2x5 grid with 2 rows and 5 columns. This will be our base for the trick. Next, we'll start filling in the grid with numbers. Begin with the ones digits. Starting in the top left corner, write the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0 across the first row. In the second row, do the same thing, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Now, let's add the tens digits. In the first row, write a 0 in front of the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then, write a 1 in front of the 0. In the second row, write a 1 in front of each number except the 0. For the 0, write a 2 in front. Our grid is all set. Now, we can see the full 2 times table laid out right in front of us. Here's how it works. Start from the top left box and go across. 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 4 equals 8, 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 7 equals 14, 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, 2 times 10 equals 20. And just like that, boom! You've got the entire 2 times table right there. Let's put it to the test. What's 2 times 6? It's 12. What's 2 times 9? It's 18. What's 2 times 8? It's 16. What's 2 times 7? It's 14. Let's do a quick review, starting with the ones digits. In the first row, write 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 0. Do the same in the second row. Now for the tens digits. In the first row, write a 0 in front of 2, 4, 6, and 8, and a 1 in front of the 0. In the second row, write a 1 in front of 2, 4, 6, and 8, and a 2 in front of the 0, and just like that, you have the full 2 times table. And there you have it. With this trick, you've got a super easy way to learn the 2 times table. Keep practicing, and you'll be multiplying like a pro in no time. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun math tricks. Thanks for watching.